Hi everyone, I'm Natalie, and today I'm going to show you a 1-minute low-impact stretch for upper back pain. If this exercise worsens your back pain, please discontinue and consult with your medical provider. To do this stretch, you're going to lay on your belly, either on the ground or on your bed, wherever you're the most comfortable. Start by laying flat on your belly with your hands on either side of your shoulders. Then, prop yourself up onto your elbows. You may feel a little bit of pressure through your low back, middle back, or upper back. Hold for about 5 seconds, and then take a break, and work your way up, performing for 30 seconds total. If your symptoms are located higher up in your back, like at the base of your neck, it can be helpful to do this exercise with a modification. You'll place your chin in your hands and hold for about 5 seconds, working your way up to 30 seconds. Once again, if this worsens any of your back or neck symptoms, please discontinue and consult with your medical provider. To learn more about upper back pain, please visit us at Spine Health and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.